Tell me more about your parents speaking Yiddish and your family.
I think aside from speaking it in the home periodically, they spoke Yiddish with their siblings, especially certain ones of the siblings more than others, didn't really totally integrate into life in America. I remember, for instance, my Aunt Sarah, my dad's oldest sister, had a very strong accent. And I still have notes to this day that she wrote us and that her husband, Uncle Sam, wrote us. And you can see the grammar is not the best. They were much more comfortable doing the Yiddish language. So some of the aunts and uncles were like that. And of course, my grandparents only spoke Yiddish. So there was not the communication that children have now with grandparents. To our 4 grandchildren, we are Bubby and Zadie, Grandma and Grandpa, and I very strongly asked for that, and our children said, great, no problem, that our grandchildren would refer to us as Bubby and Zadie. But we have very, very strong relationships with the grandchildren. So it's a much different relationship.